All this is the work of just one family. Some of the older larders may contain 50,000 acorns. A young black bear is looking to put on a last few pounds. For the young bear, more serious competition has arrived. For the young bear, taking to the trees opens up a whole new world. 60 feet up, there are acorns the bigger bears can't reach. His acrobatics send down a shower of debris. A bonus for the big bear waiting on the ground. These are mostly old, dried-up acorns, but every little helps in the final rush to get ready for winter. With a full belly, the young bear finally comes back down to earth.